Hey everybody, thanks for joining me and the Sidekicks for another video. I'm so excited. I have my Rachel Zoe box of style to share with you. I love Rachel Zoe's box of style. It's always filled with so much fun goodies. It's $99 a season and you always get $400 worth of goodies inside. So I can't wait to see what's inside. Zena's here. She wants to say hi. She's getting in the sun here. The sun's rising on this side of me, so you're probably going to see a little bit of shadows. Sorry about that. Wyatt's here too. Do you want to say hi? Wyatt's on bug patrol. Every time he's outside, that's what he does. So in case he darts off, you'll know what he's doing. They're a bit happy I'm home, so they're a tiny bit needy because I have been traveling so much lately and still more to come, but they're doing good. So let's get to this fun box. It's small for fall. Small for fall. Small for fall, huh, Zena? Let's see what's in here. So inside the box, it always says, hello, gorgeous. Hashtag box of style. It always gives you a book that tells you all about each of the items inside here. Let's dig in. Zena thinks there might be treats in here. She's going to help me. You going to help me? So here is what it looks like before I start ripping into everything. Right on top. Looks like a little crossbody bag, doesn't it? I think it says J.J. Winters. Look how cute this is. Yeah, by J.J. Winters. Look at this little gold hardware. Little leather bag. This is so pretty. You guys can see this close up. It's a very pretty saddle color. And I'm going to dig right in here. It does have the crossbody strap. It is roomy inside here, so you could fit your phone, your sunglasses, a little wallet maybe, some money. It does have a zipper pocket here. Nice size little zipper pocket. Look how cute that is. Let me see what it looks like on. It has just a little, the snap is metallic, so it just closes right there. And now I have to check it out and see what it looks like. Let's see what the crossbody looks like here. Oh, that's cute. Isn't that nice? Perfect size there for a little crossbody, isn't it? Let's see what it says about it. Alright, so I'm already enthralled in the very first item, right? So right off the bat, in the first page of the book, is a note from Rachel where she says, for me, fall means warm colors, lots of layers, and getting back to business. In this edition of Box of Style, I'm providing you with rich pieces that are versatile enough to carry you from late summer to the first days of winter and beyond. I hope you love them as much as I do. So first up is the Versatile Essential. I love a leather crossbody bag for fall. And the rich caramel color looks great with everything from late summer dresses to fall's chunky knits and jackets. So styling tip, wear as a shoulder bag for by shortening the adjustable strap. So you could wear it as a shoulder bag, she's saying, or you can wear it as a crossbody. So this is adjustable. So you can wear it on your shoulder or wear it as a crossbody. Timeless design, pairs perfectly with workwear separates and off-duty outfits by J.J. Winter, Ivy leather crossbody, and the retail value of this is $148. So cute. All right, let's see what's next. I think it's jewelry. Oh, let's see. Maybe jewelry. This is by Denijo. Oh yeah. Let's see what this is. Love jewelry. Ooh, look at this. Isn't this a pretty standout piece? So the chain at the top, and then this nice piece at the bottom here with the extra little cutout detailing. That is pretty. Wow. I have a little delicate necklace on right now. I'm going to throw this on top. I'm being lazy, but I don't think you're even going to notice it with this standout piece. Maybe you will. All right, I'll take this off. This is a really pretty delicate piece from Glamour Jewelry Box. I just love it. So the opposite, this one's a delicate piece. Now you have a statement piece. Let me get a little bit closer outside of the sun. Here's what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? Wow, that's a definite statement jewelry piece. That is so pretty. All right, so this is called the Outfit Elevator. A statement necklace can completely change a look. Use this version to dress up your favorite little black dress or add polish to jeans and a tee. I guarantee you'll get lots of compliments. And the styling tip is to wear alone for a touch of glamour or team with stacked bangles and hoop earrings for a bold look. So maybe not these big danglies, but hoops. Adjustable strap means you can... adjustable strap means you can wear over chunky sweaters or tighten around the base of your neck. And this necklace is by Denijo, and it's the Elisa Necklace, and it's $245 retail value. So now I'll get in the sun, you can see it. And it is adjustable in the back. So that's what they're saying, that you can wear it shorter or longer. So it has about this much more room in the back to adjust the size. So pretty. Very different. And here's a picture of this girl's wearing both the purse and the necklace here. Here's another pretty picture of it. All right, well, there's more stuff. Next up, let's see what I got in here. Marc Jacobs Hydrating Lip Gloss Stick. Let's see what color it is. Ooh, this is pretty. Hopefully you guys are seeing this. What do you think, Zana? You like lipstick? No, I didn't think so. Oh, there we go. I got it open. This is pretty. I like it. Very pretty. My bottom lip is a little bit bigger than normal because I was in the sun the last few days and it got a little burnt. So, very pretty. I like this. Alright, and this says the Pout Perfector. I'm so excited about this season's choice item from Marc Jacobs Beauty. Both shades are sheer, buildable, and feel so good on your lips. These insanely beautiful colors are fully on trend. Gloss is the way to go for fall. So you did get to choose this month between whether you wanted the Enamored High Shine Gloss Lip Liqueur, $28, or the Enamored Hydrating Lip Gloss Stick, which is what I have here, for $28. Either one was $28, and you did get to go in and choose which one you'd prefer in your box, and I chose that one. And they're saying that high performance ingredients deliver a super shiny finish and no stickiness. So pretty. All right, let's keep going. Zana's giving me kisses throughout this entire video. All right, next up, this is the Shani Darden Textured Reform Doe Serum Lusant. I'm sure I'm not saying that right. So this is Textured Reform Gentle Resurfacing Serum. and the retail value of this is $95. So this is a full size, 1 full ounce. And this says, even sensitive skin types can use this gentle retinol serum. It encourages cell turnover, softens lines, and reduces signs of sun damage, which is especially important after the long summer months. So smooth 1 to 2 pumps on a clean skin at night. Follow with your usual moisturizer and sunscreen during the day. Start with 1 to 2 times a week and add a day each week and build up gradually. Cool. I think I can use this, especially after this summer. This would be great. Yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this out. All right, and it's a very heavy jar. All right, and we have one more thing here. What is this? Oh, look how cute this is. A little organizer. Or you could use it as a business card holder. Look how cute that is. I love the little snake print. And it's in a pretty burgundy color. So this is called the On the Go Organizer. Bordeaux is my absolute favorite color, and this croc embossed, okay, it's croc embossed, leather card case is perfect for downsizing your everyday wallet for evening. Styling tips: used to stash cards or coins when you're running around. Tuck it into your evening clutch or mini bag. Why we love it: croc embossed genuine leather, and a donation was made to Baby in honor of this collaboration. It's by Rachel Miriam, and this is valued at $50. So it also goes very nicely here. Do the fronts here with the purse. Would fit nicely right in here. It smells really good. It smells like leather. So that's everything. What a fun fall box. I love it. Between the beauty, the jewelry, the purse, the organizer, the lipstick, I'm loving it all. I'm set. I love Rachel Zoe's box of style. She always does such a fun job curating these pieces, and the value is always worth it to me. I always have fun with these boxes. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun with it. Thanks so much for spending some time with me. I will put my link down below if you use my link to give Rachel Zoe's Box of Style a try. I do believe you get a $15 discount on your first box. It is a seasonal subscription. You can pay by season, so every 3 months, or you can pay all at once, and I believe you also buy annually, and I believe you get a discount if you choose that option as well. So thanks so much, everyone. Have an awesome, awesome day. Please consider hitting that like button. I'd love it if you hang out and hit that subscribe button. And if you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Till next time.